Welcome back. This is part 3 of Node.js tutorial, or let's say Express.js framework. Today we are going to write our first program in Express.js. First of all, we are going to require Express. Create a variable Express called Express require Express. Then we create another variable called app, which we are going to use that variable as a get and post verbs, HTTPS, as a HTTP verbs. Then we're gonna call the express method, or let's say express. So we are set. Until this point, we have required express and ready to use. second things Second thing that you have to make sure to do it is to tell the express to listen, to make the request on which port. Okay, and to identify the port we need to make a constant, or you can use variable too, but we don't change this, so it's better to be constant. Called port equal to 3000. We are going to run our app on that port. App don't listen. Okay, port. The first option is the port, which means 3000. You can write 3000, but you don't need to define the constant, if you know what I mean. And then the callback function, the anonymous one, to tell you, to let us know if the server is running or not. Console.log. This server has started on port. This will tell us that the server has started on port 3000. And let's get something in the browser. App.get. This is a get verb, HTTP verb that get you a message or get you pages in real live application. I will show you and you will understand right now. And this is a route. When we go to the /hi, we will get a callback function. We are going to use a lot of that callback function in Node.js. res.send. This means whenever I go to /hi, please send this message. Hi, it is me visiting the hi/route. Now we are done with our first Express app, a simple app. This is the basics. So if you're not understanding this, you are gonna have a problem in the future. So please pay close attention to the basics so you don't have problem in the future. Since we are set, let's go to the terminal tab. A new terminal. You can do this on the CMD terminal, but I prefer this one is closer to me, I guess. You don't need to close tab or close Windows so you can access CMD. Go to the CD desktop, CD demo, the folder that we created in the previous video, and write Node.js. whenever we want to run a JS folder, a Node.js folder, you need to write node app.js and the name of the folder. Server has started on port 3000. You are going to, next step is to go in the browser and write localhost 3000, and don't forget the hi, it's me, this is the send message visiting the hi/route. Let's recap the basics. Var express, what we did here is first of all we required express, then we define a port which our program run on it, but then we called the var app, and then we use this variable. This is predefined, pre-written in Express framework. This will send a message if we go to the route hi, and this is very important. Without this two lines, your program won't run. This will listen the port and run the program or the app or the Node.js file on the 3000 port. I hope it was useful, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video. And until next video, keep learning. It's a fucking Node.js. It's everywhere. See you.